Господи помилуj, slavu, jer živeše istina, sego radi zdježal jesi smirenije visokaja, niče toju bogataja, oče Nikolaje, moli Krista, bodi sina Emanuela, Boga že i čelovjeka, ostok im je jego že veličaju.
Samo da idemo stiditi. Idemo imati.
Não precisa trabalhar, bota lá. Tu já estamos virar o pó.
Mas vem cá, dança comigo.
Eu não vou dançar com você. Eu tenho que...
Se é corno ou não sei, essa vida
It's a joke.
back on the road.
Shit. It's completely fucked. It's full of mud. I'm around 7 kilometers far from Novi Sad. I'm gonna try to find a bike shop because I cannot drive the bicycle like this. It's completely broken. It's in a restaurant here and they're gonna give me a ride to the next city and try to find a bike shop right now, but I think everything's closed. It's completely broken. Shit. Крепочу. Searching a bike shop to buy the new gear, but I'm not finding anything and it's quite late. Probably everything gonna be closed.
Riding down a dirt road, just me and my dirt bike. Throwing fat whips, it's just me and my dirt bike. Winning every race, it's just me and my dirt bike.
pushing. I thought it would be okay after I cut the chain, but they throw salt on the road to melt the ice, and everything is rusty. It's just horrible. It's a beautiful city. They have a lake here. I'm gonna check out the lake, and everything is frozen, white and green, a little bit brown. It's beautiful colors, beautiful houses too. I'm so tired. I drove basically 24 hours. I didn't get any sleep the last 2 days. I'm so exhausted. So as you don't find the part that you need, just like this to make it chain a bit tight. Now it's gonna work, I think.
The world's second or third biggest parliament. Have you seen it?
Yeah, the parliament, yes.
It's beautiful, no?
It's amazing at night
Yeah.
with all the lights.
Have you seen it at night?
Yeah, as I went to Cittadella, but like it was
nice.
really fog.
Oh, fuck. Have you seen the chain bridge? Museums on two sides. That's a modern art, and that's a fine art gallery.
What he's doing.
First one is in London, and then a few years later here. That's it's a big park, one of the biggest park in Budapest, and that's the Széchenyi bath, one of my favorite baths. Thermal water.